Okay, all of you do it resume project in within the time. Okay, I got very well response of your side. Okay, all of you good one to do it the homework into time. Okay, and in some of the student, I will check it response of the student. So many student uploaded wrong image in your resume. I was tell you your image as a your resume. Okay, your image. Okay, your professional image upload in your resume, and somehow somewhat student upload the wrong image in the resume. Okay, yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it correct. Do it correctly. If you are doing into mobile, don't need to upload image in your resume. Okay, upload image in your doing the laptop. Okay, somehow problem on mobile. Don't if you are doing mobile, don't upload image. But you are doing the laptop, upload your professional image, your image. Okay, your self image. Okay, yes. Today we will see today we will see the second project. Okay, Snehal, what is your problem? No. Okay, I think 12th or 13th response I have got it. Ranjit and so many students got it the response of the project very well. Listen carefully. 25th September I will disable the link. Okay, upload your resume homework within the 25th September. Okay, all of you clear? All of you clear this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, we will see the today we will see the GitHub. Okay, but I mean half an hour you do it one another project. Okay, it is a survey form. All of you know about survey form. Yes, all of you do it. ATT feedback. Yes, yes or no? Yes or no? Give me reply, please. Yes or no? Survey form. We will design the survey form today. But it is your practical session. Already you know it. Registration form. Yes? Yes, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do it the 1 hour. Take it 1 hour. Do it with the reference of registration form. Do it survey form. Okay, and what is a survey form? You take it the feedback of ATT session. Okay, which is the subject, your ATT syllabus? ATT subject, anybody tell me ATT subject? Yes, yes, all of you give me reply please. Today we will totally practical session. Okay, yes, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, okay, yes. Tell me the your ATT subject. In ATT course you having the 3 or 4 subject. Yes, tell me the subject name.
Amplitude,
I
introduction to web
IWT aptitude.
Yes, yes, anyone tell your name and give me the response. Okay, then we will go through GitHub. Okay, Yes? Yes. Tell me anyone. Anyone tell me subject name?
Amplitude English Introduction to Web Technology NEC language.
Okay. Yes. And you do it the feedback session. Take it test area tag or take it radio tag. Okay. Take it first IWT or aptitude. Take it aptitude. Take it radio button. Take I will tell you the logic of it. Okay. Take it first. Okay. First of all, admit it. 10 minutes. Okay. All of you, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
A
Yes,
and B
ma'am.
division. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All of you, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
WordPress.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We will start this session. Okay. Today, second project. First of all, we will see the resume project. Yourself resume project. Yes? Yes or no? Very good response. I got it. And very well done project also. Keep it up. Do it practice like this. Then you will strong enough in IWT subject. Okay? Yes? Keep it up. All student, you are doing well in the session. Okay? And the remaining student, I will tell you only 25th September enable it first project response. Okay, then we will 26 September I will disable it. Okay, all of you listen carefully, only up to 25th September. All of you response it. 66 student A division and 68 student B division. All of you, I got it response of all student. Then I will mark your marks will be uploaded your project. Okay, and then only I will marks your project. How many marks I will give it? uh, i will I will take it reference of your project, your response. Okay, and how many student do it the mistake of your project, correct it within the 25th September. Okay, your image wrong image or anything else you are doing. Okay, yes, clear it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
see the okay. Okay, first ATT sessions, ATT course. Okay, ATT course, ATT course. First of all of you do it the registration page. All of you do it the reference. Take it reference of registration page. Okay, yes, all of you clear it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I will tell you only logic ATT course. How many subject? Four subject. Yes. Take it first. Aptitude. Okay. Aptitude. Next one. English. English. And next one. Okay. Next one. Next subject.
IWT.
IWT. Okay. And next one.
C language.
C language. Okay. Yes. This is pro your project subject. Yes. Our first project resume. Okay. Our today's session we will project number 2. What is it? Survey project. Survey. Survey means feedback page. Okay. All of you clear? Yes. And then we will take it for subject. Hello. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hello. What happened? What happened? Hello, Snehal. Aishwarya. Yes. What happened? May audible? All of you A and B division. May audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We will see the ATT feedback course. Feedback page. Okay. Means survey page. Okay. Our second project title. Yes. We will take it for subject. Aptitude, English, IWT, C language. Okay. Registration page. We will see the test area. Yes. You take it test area tag also. Okay. Take it test area tag. Okay. In first aptitude say aptitude subject take it test area tag. English session English subject you take it test area tag. IWT section take subject you take it test area tag. C language take it test area tag. Okay. And like this you to do it the project. And once second logic of you radio button. Okay. All of you know about radio button. Yes. Yes or no? Radio button. Yes. Okay. Take it radio button and take it first. Excellent. Excellent. Next one. Very good. Very good. Next three. Good. Only good. Average. Next one. Average. Okay. Clear your logic of survey feedback. Survey. Yes. Only 1 hour. Take it 1 hour to do it the complete it into 1 hour. Okay. Yes. And
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Is it okay for A and B division? Yes. Yes. Already take it. Take it the response. Take it reference of registration code. Okay. Yes. Okay. Everybody clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Do it the project. Take it have 1 hour and do it the complete it. Then we will go through GitHub. I will take it, open it this page for your reference. Okay? Yes? Take it this reference and do it. Okay? Listen, everybody, listen carefully. Yes, so many student have not get it. Today we will see this survey page. Okay, yes, survey page. Okay, Vaishnavi. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Today we will see the survey page. Okay, that's will be see the point of your feedback. ओके. सर्वे म्हणजे काय? फीडबॅक द्यायचा आहे तुम्हाला विथ द रेफरन्स. वी विल सी द रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज. येस वैष्णवी. येस
Yes,
वी
ma'am.
विल सी. येस, रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज सेम कोडिंग आहे. तुम्हाला ऍड काय करायचं आहे? सर्वे पेज. ओके. एव्हरी स्टुडंट डू इट डन इट दी फीडबॅक. येस, एव्हरी स्टुडंट सेपरेट फीडबॅक. ओके. येस और नो? Everybody, listen carefully. Vaishnavi, A and B division. All student. Name, email, your phone number. It this code same. Okay. You are added your courses, ATT course, aptitude, English, IWT, C language. Okay. We will see the Today we will see the aptitude test area. Okay. Registration page, Vaishnavi, we will see the test area tag also. Yes? Yes or no, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And only do it the feedback session for subject. You are added registration page for subject. Add it and test area tag, use it and do it the project. Okay? That's why we will take it 1 hour to you. Do it the project and share your screen. 11 after. Okay, 11 after I will ask you anybody to share your screen. Yes, समजला वैष्णवी?
Hi, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. and do it the project 11 after. I will ask anybody to share your screen. Okay, जेवढं होतंय तुमच्या लॉजिक नुसार तेवढं करा आणि 11 नंतर मी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना शेअर युअर स्क्रीन म्हणणार आहे. ओके, टेक इट. मी ओपन करून ठेवले मायक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. लॉजिक, understand you understand the logic of the project and do it very well. Okay, everybody see the screen. Everybody see the screen? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we will open it the Microsoft Word, our logic, and with the reference of this page do it the HTML program. Okay, yes, clear it.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
हॅलो मॅम.
हॅलो येस.
मॅम नक्की काय करायचंय?
Swarali, yes, we will see the first. Listen carefully, A and B division. Okay, so I am telling into Marathi. Okay, तुम्ही registration page केलंय? Yes or no? We will see the registration page. Yes, A and B division. Swarali, clear?
येस मॅम.
Yes. म्हणजे feedback. All of you know about feedback session. Yes. Every subject they are having this some of the different feedback. Yes. समजलं? Yes or no?
येस मॅम.
Response. हा येस. मग सगळ्यांचा वेगवेगळा फीडबॅक असणार की नाही प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट मध्ये. सपोज FY चे सब्जेक्ट तुमचे जे असेल ते XYZ, त्या सगळ्याचा फीडबॅक तुम्ही दिला असेल FY ला असताना. येस और नो?
येस मॅम.
मॅम.
मग त्याच मध्ये प्रोजेक्ट 2 आहे. या टुडे वी विल सी दी प्रोजेक्ट नंबर 2. फर्स्ट वी विल सी द रिझ्यूम. वी विल सी दी प्रोजेक्ट नंबर 2 सर्वे प्रोजेक्ट. येस, सर्वे मीन्स युअर ATT कोर्स फीडबॅक. येस, अंडरस्टूड. तुम्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन पेजचा कोड आहे तो आहे तसाच ठेवायचा आहे. येस स्वराली, अंडरस्टूड?
येस मॅम.
येस.
याचा अगोदर प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे का?
नाही हा प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे याचा, पण तुमचा रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज मध्ये चेंजेस करायचे. त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त 4 टॅग आहेत, 4 पॅरेग्राफ, 4 टॅग आहेत. टेस्ट एरिया P टॅग यूज करा. P ऍप्टिट्यूड, P टॅग क्लोज, टेस्ट एरिया ओपन, टेस्ट एरिया क्लोज. ऍप्टिट्यूड झालं, नंतर इंग्लिश. येस स्वराली, अंडरस्टूड? आणि सेम लॉजिक त्या तिन्हीला पण अप्लाय करायचं. इंग्लिश, IWT अँड C लँग्वेज. स्वराली, अंडरस्टूड?
येस मॅम.
येस. ऑल ऑफ यू, एनीबडी हॅव्हिंग एनी डाऊट?
मॅडम एकदा करून दाखवता का?
Listen, we will dig out your logic. Anybody having any doubt in your side, I will solve it. Okay. रजिस्ट्रेशन पेजचा कोड ऑलरेडी आहे तुमच्याकडे, आहे की नाही? येस और नो? येस और नो? हा येस. डू इट दी चेंजेस ऍट दिस 4 कोड इन युअर साइड. मी आता पण तुम्हाला लॉजिकच सांगितलं. P टॅग यूज करा. ऍप्टिट्यूड write it your content aptitude, close it P tag, and test area tag, use it, open it and close it. Yes, understood? This logic understood or not? Yes? Yes or no? समजलं का तुम्हाला? A and
Yes,
B
ma'am.
division. A and B division. स्वराली, मी लॉजिक आता सांगते. ए अँड बी डिव्हिजन. लॉजिक यूज करा, ते लॉजिकच यूज करा. ओके. पी टॅग ओपन करा, ऍप्टिट्यूड यूज करा. टायटल मध्ये फर्स्ट चेंजेस काय करा, एटीटी कोर्स फीडबॅक. ओके. आपण रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज ओपन केलेलं. Because I will not doing right now because of I will change my PC right now. We will see the notepad. We will write it the code of notepad. I will only tell you logic. Whole registration page I will not do it. Okay, you do it the registration page. Already having the code of registration page, all of you. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. All of you see the notepad. Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज ओपन केलं. आपण फर्स्ट काय करायचं, HTML हेड टॅग टायटल टॅग टाकायचं. टायटल इन दी हेड टॅग टायटल यूज इट ATT कोर्स. ओके. ATT course feedback. All of you understood this point? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? And then go to body tag, your name, phone number, email address, registration page मध्ये already आहेत. Yes or no? Yes or no? आणि ऍड्रेस टॅग, ऍड्रेस कंटेंट यूज केलेलं तुम्ही. त्याच्यानंतर कोणतं टॅग यूज केलेला, टेस्ट एरिया. ओके. who's tell me test area right now? Name, your name, tell me. हॅलो, तुमचं नाव सांगा. हॅलो. येस. सोहेल. टेल मी दी कोड ऑफ टेस्ट एरिया ऑल्सो. ओके. पी टॅग यूज करा. कोणता सब्जेक्ट तुमचा, ऍप्टिट्यूड. ओके. ऍप्टिट्यूड क्लोज इट, पी टॅग. ओके. आणि टेस्ट एरिया, सोहेल टेल मी टेस्ट एरिया कोड. टेस्ट एरिया यूज इट. Yes, I am right. Am I right, Sohel? Am I right, Sohel? Anybody? Yes. Hello. Give me reply, please.
Input text.
Input test area. Okay. Input test area. Whatever. You having the code of test area already? Yes. Then close it, test area. आणि सेम कोड रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज मध्ये ऍड्रेस साठी यूज केलेला कोड आहे तो सेम टू सेम 4 सब्जेक्टला यूज करायचा आहे. ऍप्टिट्यूड इंग्लिश, नेक्स्ट वन IWT अँड C लँग्वेज. एव्हरीबडी क्लिअर? स्वराली? येस.
Yes, ma'am.
येस. हॅलो. हॅलो. येस.
रेडिओ बटन कशाला क्लिक करायचं, रेडिओ बटन.
Radio button. We will see the gender, female or others like this. Yes, registration page. आहे की नाही? Already having the code of registration page. Yes. मग त्यासारखं सेम यूज करायचं हे बटन. कोणतं? एक्सलेंट, व्हेरी गुड, गुड, ऍव्हरेज. ओके. येस.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅडम मी ते सब्जेक्टला रेडिओ बटन.
Okay, no any problem. Subject la. Okay, this logic also good one, but you try it excellent, very good, good, average. Okay, female, male, others category also. Okay, take it paragraph aptitude and use it the radio button code. Excellent, very good, good, average. Okay, and next In English, take it the radio button, excellent, very good, good, average. Okay. Yes. If you are doing the code of any logic, any logic, do it the very good, good one. 11 after I will check it the everybody code. Okay. आणि मला असं वाटतं की टेस्ट एरिया यूज केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला परफेक्ट जमेल आणि कोड सोपा आहे ऑलरेडी. येस. एनीबडी हॅव्हिंग डाऊट? सोराली?
Ma'am, do we have to use the radio button after the text area?
Yes, yes, you do it, use it, very good. Use it if you want to use it, use it. Whatever your logic, implement it, and I will check your logic if it is correct or wrong. Okay. You are already having the radio button code also, already you are having the test area code also in registration page. Yes, use it for Sorali, and I will check it if you are okay for your feedback page. Okay. Yes, Swarali,
Okay, ma'am.
clear it? I will open this code also. Use it, this code. Minimum size. And next one. Okay, all of you see the two terminal? Yes? Yes? A and B division. A and B division? Yes, it is clear?
Ma'am,
It is
registration
visible?
page is the one in which we used the username and the password.
लिसन, तुमचं ते रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज मध्ये आहे ना, युजर नेम पासवर्डचा यूज करायचं, युजर नेम पासवर्ड असेल तर यूज करा. ओके. तुमचं रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज वरचा कोड काही डिलीट करू नका, तोच आहे तोच यूज करायचा आहे. फक्त तुम्हाला हे 4 त्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट करायचे. समजलं? अंडरस्टूड? तुमचा रजिस्ट्रेशन पेजचाच कोड आहे तसा यूज करायचा आहे एटीटी कोर्स साठी. ओके. फक्त तुम्हाला ऍड्रेसचा कोड यूज करायचा आहे, त्यामध्ये काही चेंजेस करू नका. त्याच्यामध्ये नेम, ईमेल ऍड्रेस, युजर नेम, कन्फर्म पासवर्ड, डोंट चेंज एनिथिंग. समजलं? समजलं का? हॅलो हॅलो. येस.
मैम रजिस्ट्रेशन कोड नहीं है.
रजिस्ट्रेशन कोड नहीं है? हाउ इज पॉसिबल? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
मैम सेंड करा ना आणखी एकदा.
मॅम नाहीये.
हाँ मैम नहीं है.
Yes, right now I will not in my own PC. I will change my desktop right now, but I'm visible to get it soon. Okay.
ओके मॅम.
तरी ट्राय करा. एक टाइम तुम्ही ट्राय केलं तर मला बरं पडेल, कारण की तुमचं काय चुकलं असेल तर मी ते क्लिअर करू शकते. ओके. राईट नाव yes. It is okay, you are not having the name, username, password, you add it right now also, only 4 to 3 line, no anybody, no nothing else. Okay. Use it if you are not having the registration page. Use it name, email address, and next tag. Use it address. Okay. Address tag, use it directly, go through subject aptitude, English, IWT, and C language. Okay. Up to 4 to 5 line. Okay. No anything else. Yes. Anybody complete this task? Yes. Yes. Complete this task up to 11 a.m. Okay, if you are not having the code, try it yourself best. I will not force it, do it, but you can try it. Okay, you can try it, it is better to. Anybody? Dipti. Yes, Dipti Patil. Dipti Mane. Who is Dipti Mane? She is present right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen and see it carefully. See it, she's code. Uh, Carefully see this code and do it the logically same. Okay. Yes, your choice. You do it the changes of it. Okay. Open it, Dipti. Share your screen. Yes. मी दीप्ती, मी तुम्हाला सांगते की याच्या पुढे काय करायचंय. ओके, एनीबडी हॅव्हिंग दी रजिस्ट्रेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन कोड. दीप्ती हॅव्हिंग दी रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज कोड. ओके, ओपन इट दीप्ती. Okay, okay, everybody see this code. Yes, Swarali, A and B division, all division, A and B division. See this code, it is visible. Yes, yes, anybody remain? Surekha, uh, Sorali, Vaishnavi. Yes, it is visible. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Title registration form. Use it. Change it. Your title. Survey form feedback. Okay. ATT course feedback. Okay. Change it title. Survey feedback. ATT course feedback. Okay. Registration form title. Change it. ATT course feedback. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood? Anybody having any doubt? Yes.
No, ma'am, understood.
Yes. And next, S6 registration detail. Yes. Use it here. Subject feedback. Okay. ATT course feedback. Only feedback. Yes. Sufficient? Yes. Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Yes or no? Tell me, then I will clear it. समजलं का तुम्हाला? तुम्हाला समजलं का? Okay? Yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next, you take it the input radio button. Dipti, yes. Radio button, don't use it. It is visible. Dipti, don't change it. Yes. तुम्ही रेडिओ बटन इथे यूज केलंय ना, रेडिओ बटन एक्सलंट. ओके, delete this line. Don't use it right now, radio button. Use it only test area. Okay, it is sufficient to you. Okay, br, enter your address. Br. Okay, Dipti, A and B division. Everybody clear? I will tell you the logic of the feedback form. Okay, br, enter your address. Br, close. Then go through input test area and close it test area. Yes, and then br. Go to next line. Use it br tag. Next br tag. Use it subject name IWT. Open it br tag and go through next line input test area. End with test area and br. Okay, everybody understood? Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. समजलं नाही. Okay. Dipti, close it. Close it. Yes. Okay. Input test area. Everybody, logic it's clear. त्यांच्याकडे प्रोग्राम नव्हता, त्यांनी स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला का?
Yes,
येस.
ma'am.
हा, तेवढं समजलं? तेवढं समजलं का तुम्हाला काय केलंय ते? हा,
Yes, ma'am.
आणि नेक्स्ट ऍप्टिट्यूड, टेक इट इनपुट टेस्ट एरिया, क्लोज इट टेस्ट एरिया. दीप्ती, डोंट यूज इट रेडिओ बटन to the your right now your project. Okay, use it test area. Next, p, next iwt, close it p tag. Next one br, use it input test area, close it test area. Okay, all of you, my screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
How is it possible? Wait for a minute. Now it is visible, A and B division.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. And write it here. Next, C language. Okay. C language. Okay. Write it here. HTML head. Use it title. Next, close it title head. Okay. And next, use it body. And next, close it body. And next, close it HTML tag. Okay. Save this change. File save as desktop survey. Okay, if you write it feedback, no any problem. Okay, save this change, go through your Yes. Everybody see this screen? Yes. Our program output. Program output. If you are good, take it good. Write it good. IWT good. If you are writing bad, don't any problem. Good. Write it good and very excellent. Okay. Write it excellent. Excellent. And सबमिट बटन नव्हतं त्यामुळे तुमचा डेटा सेव्ह होणार का नाही होणार
नाही.
येस दीप्ती ओपन इट युअर प्रोग्राम अँड टाइप इट ओनली 3 स्टेटमेंट ओके रेडिओ बटन इनपुट रेडिओ बटन यूज केलंय ना तुम्ही ते बटन ते यूज करू नका ओके दीप्ती
हा येस मॅम.
Ha, yes. I will share this line to delete it. Okay. Input type radio ID excellent. Excellent काहीतरी लिहिलंय तुम्ही excellent जागी ओके नेम excellent ओके आणि व्हॅल्यू excellent this line don't write it ओके सबमिटच्या नंतर तुम्ही यूज केलेलं आहे इनपुट ओके दीप्ती येस
हा येस मॅम.
हा ती लाईन डिलीट करा समजलं
हा हा.
हा आणि इनपुट टाईप सबमिटच्या आधी बिफोर म्हणजे अगोदर तुम्ही यूज करू शकता हे 3 लाईन ओके येस अँड टायटल चेंज इट युअर टायटल ओके
हा ओके
येस
मॅम.
येस एनीबडी डू इट दी प्रोग्राम
Yes, madam.
yes share your screen who's share first Brunal you sharing the screen
येस मॅम.
okay share your screen next boys side ready be present and b division also b division be ready
मॅडम
yes what happened
मॅडम ते 3 ऑप्शन आले कोणतं चूज करू युअर एंटायर स्क्रीन अ विंडो आणि अ टॅब
windows tab okay
लॅपटॉप वर केलं लॅपटॉप वरून शेअर करते मी.
okay share your screen windows open करा
अ विंडो
check it once again because of what happened okay no any problem you are having share me WhatsApp I will open it WhatsApp okay yes your time also I will remove it okay all of you see the screen yes
Yes, ma'am.
yes
Yes, ma'am.
very good very good one Brunal you do it test area okay very good keep it up and next one somehow use it radio button share your screen हॅलो हॅलो ज्यांनी रेडिओ बटन यूज करून प्रोग्राम केलेला आहे त्यांनी पण तुमची शेअर करा स्क्रीन ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is visible. Your screen is visible. Open it. Your Okay. Okay. Very good. Open it. Your code. What is your name? Write it. What is your name? Ruturaj Tarapurkar. Okay. Very good. Use it. Radio button. Very good one.
Ma'am, I did this with CSS.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. But you can try it. It is very good. Okay. You can take it test area style. Yes. Yes or no? Use it style. Oh yes. Ruturaj. Okay. Next one. Brunal. Also very good presentation and very good logic for your side also. And Ruturaj also very good. And next one. Dipti. You check it. Change it. The code. Swarali. Swarali. Yes. 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 Next Bhakti. Who is present right now? Next Dipti, share your screen. Next one and next one Shiv Bhakti. Fast because of we will tell you the next point. Very interesting and grooming point nowadays. Very most programmer use it the this side because with the help of programmer be a programmer use this side very well. GitHub. Anybody did know about GitHub? Yes, yes. Okay, okay, very good. Dipti, run it. Run this code. Okay, and write it your name, email address, and fill it. Fill it. Fill is it. Change it the registration form. Okay, change it registration form. Write it feedback form. Okay, Dipti. Okay. Write it. Don't leave the session. We will see the very grooming topic nowadays because of your second year, third year, you are doing the lot of program. Then where you store your program because right now you tell me the right now I am not having the program logic. Okay, write it your roll number name into chat box, but don't leave the session because still a very important point I will discuss right now. Okay, we will see the a lot of program. Swarali tell me the right now don't having the code of registration page. Okay, Dipti, very good. Next one, Shiv Bhakti. Shiv Bhakti, Shiv Bhakti.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen. Snehal Kore.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, Snehal Kore. You are doing the survey form.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Shiv Bhakti, next one Snehal Kore. Next stop the Don't leave the session. We will see the most grooming point. GitHub. Okay. All of you open the account. We will tell you step by step how to open GitHub account, because of nowadays very much programmer use it GitHub site. Okay. Anybody knows about Shiv Bhakti?
Yes,
Open it your screen.
yes, ma'am.
As Tamburi, Asma, please audio should be off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, open it.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not visible, Shiv Bhakti. You are not sharing.
Hmm. And we,
What happens, Shiv Bhakti? Is it any
Mona?
problem? Is it any problem to share your screen?
screen this. Hello.
What happened? What happened, Shiv Bhakti? Is it okay? Any network issue happening there? Okay. Snehal Kore. Snehal Kore. Okay, okay. Wait for be ready. Be ready. Shiv Bhakti, present. Right now you are presenting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, present your screen.
Ma'am. विला है मैम तुम्हारे
What happened? What happened? Okay. Your network issue. Close it. Snehal Kore,
Yes, ma'am.
share your screen. Hello. Hello, Snehal.
का मॅडम?
Nahi. It is not visible. Yes, it is visible. A division. Open it. Open it code. Yes. Okay. Course feedback. Okay. Okay. Very good. Any suggestion? Open it code. Open it. Run it. This program. Run it. Snehal, run it. This program. Okay. Do it. Uh, do it. Run it. This program. Write it. Any suggestion? Okay. Very good. Snehal, do it the program.
Yes, ma'am.
Run it this code. You are running it. Okay. No any problem. तुम्ही रनच केला आहे प्रोग्राम, पर तुम्ही काहीतरी इन्फॉर्मेशन राईट करा ना तिथे, म्हणजे समजेल मला. हा येस. Okay, submit it. Submit it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Absolutely right. Snehal, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Naneshwar Mehtre. It is last one because we will go through GitHub site. And don't leave the session because it is very grooming point nowadays. you are forgetting the uploaded into site. That time you are need to any open source website. Yes, that's why we will go through GitHub. Okay, nowadays it is free of cost. Okay. Yes. Yes, Naneshwar. Run it this program. You are doing also radio button or test area also. Okay. You are write it aptitude, then go through aptitude English AWT. Okay. Okay. Okay, Naneshwar. Good one. We will go through GitHub site. Naneshwar, good one. Yes, anybody know about GitHub? Yes, A division and B division. It is visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why where the world build a software? Any programmer or any developer use it GitHub site because we will share this screen. Okay. Suppose write the program. Program.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही ना.
Wait. You're not visible GitHub site?
No.
Okay. 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 Naneshwar, stop your sharing. Naneshwar Maitre. Roll number 57, A division. Don't let the session be close it presenting side. Share your screen. Close it this sharing the screen. Okay. B division, any problem? It is visible? My screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Okay. Wait for a minute. Right now it is presenting. Right now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
A and B division. A and B division. All of you. It is visible. लक्षात घ्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना ह्याचे अकाउंट काढायचे आहेत. ऑल ऑफ यू ready? Be clearly listening every step by step because it is visible. It is helpful for your whole life. Okay, I am telling whole life, not a 1 year or not a 2 year. Be a professional life. It is very important. Okay. तुम्ही आत्ताच म्हटलेला मी रजिस्ट्रेशन पेजचा कोड माझ्याकडे नाहीये. सोराली मला ती म्हणलेली की माझ्याकडे रजिस्ट्रेशनचा कोड नाहीये. ओके, मग काय करायचं त्या टायमिंगला? हा एक मोठा प्रश्न येतो. येस, आय एम टेलिंग इन टू मराठी बिकॉज इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. दॅट्स वाय वी विल मूव टू अ मराठी. इज इट ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write a program pyramid. Okay. Pyramid in C. All of you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And into GitHub. Okay. open this code. Yes. Uh, all of you see this code? Write a C program. Yes. Yes. How many people go through this code? This side for code Kamat. Yes. Branch, zero market, project. How many people? Public. It is public. Okay. Everybody accessible. Yes. म्हणजे त्यांनी त्यांचा प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार केलेला आहे गिटहबवर. तुम्ही त्यामध्ये कोड इन्सर्ट करू शकता, ते इन्सर्ट करू शकतात. ओके. तसं तुम्ही सुद्धा एक गिटहबचं अकाउंट काढायचं आहे. राईट नाव ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन इट गिटहब अकाउंट, बट all of you don't upload your resume into GitHub. Everybody understood? If you're doing like this, don't upload your resume into GitHub. Yes, तुम्ही upload काय करू शकता? Any program like this. You are doing the C program, anything, pyramid or star. Yes, like this program, upload into GitHub because you are doing the okay. And nowadays, see the plan. Yes, nowadays very much popular because everyone developer refer the site GitHub. Okay, what happened? What happened? Yes, 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 yes. What happened? I'm audible. You tell me the what happened? Any problem? Any problem? Yes?
नो मॅम.
आता कोणीतरी म्हणत होता ना मॅम. मला आवाज ऐकू आला मॅम. If you are having any doubt, tell me right now because I will go through moving to sign up, how to register into GitHub. That's why we will go through step by step. Nowadays it is free. Open it account. Okay, but you can pay for $4 per month. Okay, nowadays it is a free for all people. Okay, and every developer nowadays use GitHub site. Okay, if you are doing any program certificate, upload into your site. It is secure. ओके, तुम्ही जेव्हा तेव्हा म्हणाल माझा हा कोड मिस झालाय, लॅपटॉप मधून फॉरवर्ड झालेला आहे, डिलीट झालेला आहे, तुम्ही ज्या वेळेला प्रोग्राम करणार त्यावेळेला अपलोड करायचं GitHubवर. ओके, समजलं? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस
येस मॅम.
Yes, ma'am.
येस. स्वराली,
Yes,
शिवभक्ती,
ma'am.
स्नेहल, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
being a bee onwards. SETB. तुम्ही जेवढे प्रोग्राम करणार आहेत कोणत्या पण लँग्वेज मधून करा, जे सगळे प्रोग्राम तुम्ही GitHubवर अपलोड करू शकता. पण त्यासाठी फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट काय आहे तुमची? फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट, व्हॉट इज युअर फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट?
Account on GitHub.
अकाउंट पाहिजे.
येस, पण तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही सिम्पल टेस्ट, आय विल राईट इट इन टू सिम्पल टेस्ट, अपलोड इन टू GitHub. तुम्ही सी चे प्रोग्राम केले GitHubवर अपलोड करू शकता. एनी सिम्पल फोल्डर, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू अपलोड इट, अपलोड इन टू GitHub. It is very important. If you are doing any certification like this solo learn, anything, course, okay, upload into GitHub. Yes, HTML code, upload into GitHub. JavaScript code, upload into GitHub because it is safe. Okay, and I am telling you use it the account privately, because if you are public it, all people, your code is accessible. Okay, your choice. If you do it private, welcome. If you are doing the public, it is also welcome. Your choice. Okay, you go through sign up page. Sign up page. First of all, you can register it. Okay, mail. Enter your mail. Anybody tell your name? Email. First of all, we will see the how it is your account. Okay, I am already having the account of GitHub. Okay, that's why we will focus how it is. ओके, पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला दाखवते की कसं असतं ते गिटहब. त्यानंतर आपण अकाउंट काढूयात सगळ्यांचे. ओके, ए अँड बी डिव्हिजन. ऑल ऑफ यू क्लिअर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अक्षता यस जाधव 1996@gmail.com. ओके, पासवर्ड ओके. Going through my side. ओके, येस. सगळ्यांना हे समजलं? आलो आपण गिटहबच्या साईटवर. समजलं तुम्हाला? ओपन केली साईट?
येस मॅम.
येस. मग त्यामध्ये जाऊन तुम्ही काय करणार आहे? फर्स्ट युअर रिपॉझिटरी. येस, ही माझी रिपॉझिटरी आहे. म्हणजे मी रिपॉझिटरी क्रिएट केलेली होती काल, म्हणजे समजा येस्टरडे. ओके, ओपन इट. ओके, ही माझा बायोडेटा HTML आहे. मी हा ओपन केला आहे. ओके, मी काल एकदा ट्राय केलेलं, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला दोघं सांगते, कारण की ही तुमचा कोड आहे सगळा, आपण बघितलेला आहे ऑलरेडी. ओके, मेन पेज मध्ये जावा. माझी ही रिपॉझिटरी आहे. सपोज इफ यू आर अपलोड युअर फाईल ऍड क्रिएट न्यू. म्हणजे तुम्ही डायरेक्टली इथे पण तुम्ही राईट करू शकता प्रोग्राम. ओके, इफ यू आर राईट इट एनी कमेंट, सपोज राईट ना वी विल सी द सर्वे फॉर्म. Subject name. Tell me the subject name. Aptitude.
English.
English.
IWT.
IWT. And next one, C language.
C language.
Yes. And submit it. Okay. No any comment. Wrap it. Soft corner. Okay. See this change. Go through your site. Add your file. Upload it. Okay. See these changes. Code. Go through code. Readme. Initial stage. Write it comment. Issues. Suppose if you are uploaded the code, if you are do it the download the zip file also into GitHub. Okay, and next one, upload the file, any file, choose your file, any file you can upload. If you write it test file. We will see the test file now. Save it. Save as test desktop. Okay, save it. Okay, survey notepad. Okay, no, I'm not right now. Where is it file? Yes, here is it. Save as. Save as. Okay, take it plain test. Okay, go through text desktop, save it. Okay, save it. Go through here, open it, desktop. Where is ATT course? Nine. ATT. Yes, ATT course. Open it. Uploaded it. ATT course TST. Yes. See here ATT course TST. Go through your repository. Why it is not issues here? Where is it? Inside test template. Okay. Only one file uploaded here. We will see the next one, create new file, also an uploaded file. Okay, we will see the first step, account creation. Okay, we will see the first step, account creation, and then we will go through step by step. Your new repository also you can create it new. Your new repository, create your new repository means your folder. Okay, suppose you can create Snehal. Your birth date Snehal, year सांगा, year. रिपॉझिटरी म्हणजे तुमचा फोल्डर, एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करतोय. ओके, तुमचं इयर सांगा. 2002. ओके, create folder public. Okay, it is optional, and readme file and create repository means folder create करायचं. ओके, समजलं. Initial commit it. Yes, changes file readme. कोड स्नेहल. सपोज स्नेहल हे तुमचा फोल्डर झाला आहे. येस, तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये काही लिहू शकता. इफ यू राईट इट, गो टू फाईल, अपलोड युअर HTML फाईल इन टू युअर फोल्डर. ओके, येस, तुमच्या येस येस, आता आपण फक्त रिपोजिटरी क्रिएट केली आहे. ओके, फर्स्ट वी कॅन क्रिएट युअर फोल्डर. येस, and I will tell you the step by step how to go through your open your account. Okay, go through sign up, write it here, welcome to GitHub, begin, email address. Tell me email address, Snehal.
Snehal yes Kore
Snehal yes Kore
@Sveri
coep.sweri.ac.in असं आहे ना? coep.sweri.ac.in. Yes, continue. Create password. Password. Snehal.
Yes, ma'am.
Password. COEP password. Email address password. Tell me email address password.
Sweri
At the rate
10:45:46.
10:45:46. Okay, continue it. Username be a engineer. You can change it 2022. Okay, continue it. Yes, continue it. Listen carefully, all of you. Start puzzle. If your audio should be on, play this audio.
9, 9, 9, 5, 4, 6, 2,
999
9, 9, 9, 5, 4, 6, 2,
play.
9, 9, 9, 5, 4, 6, 2.
Yes, verification complete. Okay. Yes, everybody understood how to open account in GitHub?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
येस स्नेहल, आता तुम्हाला मेल येईल. स्नेहल कोरे, तुम्हाला आता एक मेल येईल, त्याला व्हेरीफाय करा, ओपन करा, क्रिएट रिपॉझिटरी. ऑल ऑफ यू, फर्स्ट स्टेप, डू इट अप टू फ्रायडे. Open it your GitHub account successfully and don't open it. Create your account in GitHub. Open it. Create your repository. Listen carefully. Enter your username into small letter. Everybody clearly understood. It is your first instruction in GitHub, and don't विसरायचं नाही तुमचं गिटहबचं अकाउंट, बिकॉज फर्स्ट स्टेप, डू इट द program, upload into GitHub. If you are doing project in SCTB, upload into GitHub. तुमचंच बेनिफिट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, ऑल ऑफ यू, युअर बेनिफिट. ओके. स्नेहल कोरे, verify your email. You got it mail for GitHub. Verify it, open it, and create repository. Everybody listen carefully. First step, create your account in GitHub, create your repository, and then we will see the how to project upload in GitHub. We will see the resume also, and now we will see the project number 2 survey. Okay. Yes. Next session we will see the how to upload project into GitHub, survey project. Okay, everybody clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, all of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. And listen carefully. Start the puzzle. Choose its audio. Okay, it is very helpful for you. Listen carefully. क्वेश्चन आस्क केला तर तुम्ही ऑडिओ चूज करा बिकॉज इट इज व्हेरी हेल्पफुल अँड व्हेरी इट इज सिम्पल. ओके. Yes, anybody having any doubt, ask me right now.
मॅडम
Hello Priyanka. Yes.
मॅडम मला तिथं पझल सॉल्व्ह करा असं आलं होतं.
Yes, start the puzzle. But then go through audio option. Audio option, Priyanka.
ओके मॅडम.
If you are going the audio option, take it pen and paper. If you are take it 9, write it 9. If you are to tell us to write it 2, and next up to 4 or 6 digit, Priyanka. Yes.
ओके मॅडम.
Yes, write it and then you can write it there. Okay.
ओके मॅडम.
Okay. Write it your roll number, name into chat box, everybody. If you are having GitHub account, any problem, repository problem or anything, uh, tell me. Anytime ask me. Okay. We will solve this problem. Okay. Friday, up to Friday, your tasks. I am telling you the task of the Friday. Up to Friday, open GitHub account and create your repository, means your folder, and then we go through upload the project into GitHub. Okay. We will stop here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Naneshwar. You are most of enthusiastic guy. Up to A division, 57 roll number. Everybody, don't remain anybody open. It is compulsory for A division and B division. Open the GitHub account. It is compulsory for henceforth. Okay. Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, that's why we go through step by step, because it is very critical part. Understood? Snehal, right now, then we will close our session. Go through, verify your mail ID into GitHub.
ओके मॅम.
Okay. Write down your roll number, name into chat box, everybody. According your performance, I will give you marks of your ATT subject, IWT. That's why your performance will be active. All of you understood the survey form? Anybody? Yes. Up to Friday, all complete the task of survey form, because you can upload into GitHub site. Okay. Yes. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes. And Friday session, don't remain absent. We will see the how to public this account and how to private the account of GitHub, and how to upload your project C, C++ or HTML. And also you can do it your ENTC part, you are having embedded C also. Your project you can also upload it into GitHub. No any problem. Okay. That's it. Today's session. All of you understood today's session? Survey form. Yes. Don't remain absent for Friday session because of be a last session from ATT, and we will see the GitHub site. Okay, Friday topic is GitHub site. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And yes, last warning to all A and B division: complete the task of resume up to 25th September, because I will disable the link 26th September. Then no any reason I will entertain any reason. What is your reason? It's solid 25th up to 25th. Okay, then we will marks. I will take it marks up to 20 50, up out of 50. Yes, then only those student I will give it marks 25th September. जे कोणी 25th सप्टेंबरच्या आत सबमिट केलेला आहे त्यांनाच मी मार्क देणार आहे. ते पण मी रिझ्यूम बघून देणार आहे. ओके, I will got it response, and I will check it response one by one day every day. Okay, I will check it response of every day. Every student I will check it resume also. Surekha Koi resume, it is very good resume for A and B division or A division. Yes, Surekha Koi, it is very nice designed resume. Also Ruturaj, also is it a very nice resume. Do it fast, because I will give you chocolate for you. That's why I'm telling you, do it the resume very good. Snail Core also not they uploaded the resume into a site. Anybody remain? Do it the resume up to 25th, and survey form. I will take it. Give you time of 2 days. Okay, 2 days enough for survey form. Yes, right now how many students do it survey form? Go through GitHub site. Open it GitHub site. How it is? तुम्ही सांगायचं मला GitHub साईट काय आहे, कशासाठी यूज केलेली आहे. मी तुम्हाला स्टेप बाय स्टेप त्याचं सगळं सांगणार आहे. ओके, येस, अंडरस्टूड.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Let us stop here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are having good day. Good day.
You too, ma'am.
Also, thank you. Thank you so much. I will share you GitHub site, okay, into WhatsApp.